Hey friends, welcome back to WizzKidz TV. We have another fun video for you today. We're going to make different Play-Doh shapes. Are you ready to have fun with me? Let's open up the Play-Doh. We have pink, I love playing with Play-Doh. Do you like playing with Play-Doh? Look how squishy it is. This is a cookie tray. And we're going to make different types of Play-Doh cookies. Let's use this one. I wonder what shape it's going to be. It's a face! A smiley face! This is so cool! Let's do another one. These shapes all have writing and different faces inside. Let's see what this is. I wonder if it's a face or a word. It's a cool face. He has glasses on. So much fun. Let's open the green Play-Doh. So squishy. Let's use this one. Are you ready to see what it is? It says grumpy. The cookie is grumpy. Green grumpy. Let's make another one. How about this one? I wonder if it's a word or a face. Let's see what shape it is. It's a shape of a face. A smiley face. Green smiley. Let's open this color. Let's see what it is. What color is this? Yes, it's yellow. Let's open the yellow Play-Doh. Squishy Play-Doh. Let's cut it in half and make another cookie. Let's use this one. Are you ready to see what it is? A silly face! Look at the silly mouth! Yellow silly face! Let's make another one. Let's do this one. Are you ready to see? It says, happy. I'm so happy today. Are you happy today? That's great. We're all happy. Let's open another one up. Ooh, this is fluoro pink. It's a very, very bright pink. So squishy. Let's do this one. He's sad. Why is the cookie sad? Sad cookie. Let's do this one now. It says yum. Yummy, yummy cookie. Yum. Y-U-M. Yum. Let's do another one. What color is this? Yes, it's orange. Let's open the orange Play-Doh. Let's squish it. Let's do this one. Are you ready? It says goofy. The cookie is so goofy. A goofy cookie. Let's do this one. I wonder what it is. It's a happy face. A smiley face. A smiling cookie. We have one more Play-Doh to open. Ooh, it's a dark pink. What a pretty color. What are we going to do now? Let's do this one. Cool. It says cool. You are so cool. Cool like the cookie. Super cool. Can you spell it with me? C-O-O-L. Cool. We have one more. Let's do this one. It says cute. Super cute. What a cute looking cookie. It's cute as a button. Let's spell it. C-U-T-E. Cute. Let's have a look at all our cookies. Cute. Silly. Yum. Cool face. Happy face. Goofy. Happy. Surprised happy face. Cheerful. Cool. Super cool. Happy. Grumpy and sad. Thank you so much for playing with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!